Hello, teacher. I'm student come from GCS 0804 NH. Today I will make a video to introduce about my project. My project name is Fire Alarm System Project. So now come to my project. So this is my project, and we have some device to make this project. The first, I need to have uh, Arduino Arduino board, and the next I need to have breadboard and gas sensor LM55 temperature and PO. So I need to have some device like LED and resistor. This project will warning when gas in the environment and warning about the temperature. So I will start simulation. So I will show code serial monitor. So can you see it? And degree C is 24.79. And gas sensor is 85. When the gas is around gas sensor is 85 and the piezo is not running. But when if the gas is here, so the piezo is running, and can you see it? Gas sensor is wow 359 and I put yes, and so I will stop simulation. um, let let me introduce about some device PO and gas sensor. The gas sensor is used to measure the concentration of presence of gas in the atmosphere. It is also used to detect smoke in the air based on the gas potential difference generated by changing the resistance of the material present inside the sensor. The output is measured in terms of volt A, and about the LM55 temperature sensor. LM55 temperature sensor give an analog output based on the instantaneous temperature value. This output, this output, this output, this analog output is proportional to the external input. So, and the piezo buzzer is an electrical component that generates a beep, so on receiving an input, it works on the principle of piezo crystal. And so how can I make the connection from every from X device to complete this circuit? Firstly, we need to connect one line of breadboard, to the ground and another power supply. This is done by connecting to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino board to one line. This one. The other line of the breadboard is connected to the ground terminal of the Arduino. The line will be connected other device. This one. Okay. The temperature. Okay, I will talk about temperature. Temperature sensor has 3 pins: ground, volt, and VS supply. The VS pin that has an array of 4 to 20 volt is connected to the power supply line on the breadboard. Then the ground terminal of the sensor is connected to the ground line of the breadboard. The volt terminal of the temperature sensor is connected one of the analog pin of the Arduino board, A1. This one to connect to A1. Now me learn how the connection are done with the gas sensor. This sensor has 6 pins. 3 pins of the gas sensor are directly connected to the power supply line of the breadboard. This one to connect it. One pin is connected to the analog pin. One pin to connect it to the analog pin of the Arduino. So this one, A0, and the pin middle is connected to the ground line of the breadboard, and the third pin of the sensor is connected resistor and connected to the ground line. No, resistor. The piezo buzzer is externally connected to the circuit. The ground pin of the buzzer is connected to the ground line of the breadboard. This line to connect to ground line of the breadboard. Another pin of buzzer is connected to the digital pin 7 of the Arduino board. Pin 7. Lastly, the LED is connected to the Arduino directly. The cathode of the LED is connected to the GND pin of Arduino. And another of the LED is connected through a resistor to the digital pin 13 of the Arduino to connect to the resistor and connect to D13. Also, sorry, I have some mistake. I really like it. Okay. So let me start simulation. Okay, guys. The piezo will warning about gas sensor in air, and if I put it to another way. So this is gas sensor. So temperature focus to this LED. When the decrease is 1, this not line. So and can you see the change of LED? So I will color blue. So start again. Yeah, can you see that? Okay, let me see. Let me introduce about code. This code I will set up for my circuit about term volt1 LED. I will make make with 30 and gas sensor piezo and pin and pin mode with input is A0, pin mode with and A1 input. LED and piezo will the output. So volt analog rate will variable will hold the value read from the analog pin A0, which is the input from the gas sensor analog rate function. To use to take the input, the volt1 hold the value based on volt. The above expression in the code show the same. So if else if term a set of if-else statements are used to assign value that could give the output. If the first if condition check if the input temperature is greater than 80 degrees C. If the temperature goes above 80, the LED is high and it glows. Otherwise, the LED remains off low. This function is done using digital write function. Digital write function get off. Okay. So if gas sensor like the term, so if the gas sensor higher than 100, digital write piezo high with digital write function and else. Okay. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. Cảm ơn thầy và các thầy đã theo dõi video của em. Video vẫn còn, tại vì trình độ tiếng Anh của em nó vẫn còn hơi kém nên hy vọng thầy có thể tham khảo qua. Em chào thầy.